Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can add voice filter on TikTok. Okay, so I'm in TikTok camera. What you have to do, record the video first. Okay, let's record the video. Mic testing 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, so let's stop it. Now what do we do? Just end the video. Okay, to the right you will see this different option. Tap on the bottom arrow to see full options, then tap on voice. Okay, now you are on your voice filter screen. Here these are the trending voice effect, these are characters, and these are enhance. Let's try some of them.
Okay, let's record the video. Mic testing 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9.
Okay, let's record the video. Mic testing 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9.
Okay, let's record the video. Mic testing 1 2 3 4.
Okay, let's record the video. Mic testing 1 2 3 4. Mic.
Okay, let's
record the video. Mic testing 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9.
Okay, let's record the video. Mic testing. Let's record the video. Mic testing 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, once you are done, you can hit save. Okay, and that's it. Likewise, you can use this voice filter on your TikTok, but make sure you are using these videos for your personal use only. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.